guys, this is Nate, and this is the NATERKART channel. Alright, hey everyone, this is a Trailmaster Mini XRX/R, which is the smallest one they make. My daughter's now 6 years old, but she was actually 3 when we bought this for her. The only modification I did to it was I added a 3-inch extension to the steering wheel to get a little bit closer to her, but she's 6.5 now and can drive this very easily. But what I want to talk about in this video is the maintenance for it. So, you know, obviously with any type of vehicle, especially one with a gas engine, there's going to be at least some maintenance to it. And Go-Kart Masters, which is the website I bought this from 3 years ago, not sponsored, you know, I paid for it directly out of my own pocket for it. But they saw the videos I put out for it, and they said, hey, you know, we want to reach out to you and actually send you a maintenance kit for this so you can look at it. So that's what I have in this box right here. It's actually a couple things. One's a maintenance kit and one's a hardware kit. So let me show you what they are. Alright, so first up is the hardware kit. So now this one is their kind of one-stop shop for all the most popular items that they have to replace. So obviously if you reach out to go-kartmasters.com and say, hey, I need, you know, a steering wheel or some kind of part off of these carts, they have them either in stock or can get them for you. But you can also buy this kit, and in fact if you use the coupon code in the video description down below, you can get this for free with the purchase of a cart. So it has a list here of what all it includes, and it's everything from a spark plug, a fuel filter, different valve stems for your tires, to cotter pins, specific bolts that maybe you would need to replace over time, or if they got lost or loose. They have those as replacements here, like things like your wheel lug nut, washer for them. It includes stuff like a valve stem tool to take out the valve stem core out of it, as well as some of the common Allen wrench sizes that you might need. Then it has stuff like little links for your chain. So if you break a chain or you lose your link in it, it has 2 replacements for that. It has a fuse in there for the lights or the horns that have a fuse circuit. You know, so basically a little bit of everything that you might need out there, even some zip ties and some stickers, of course, that you might want to have. So this is a nice little kit that, you know, these are hard to find parts at your local hardware store. Obviously some of the stuff is easy, as far as the spark plug and the tire pressure gauge and the valve core removal. And maybe the cotter pins are easy, but not to get all the correct sizes in there. And then a lot of the bolts are very unique and special, and so you can't find those at an Ace Hardware or Tractor Supply locally. So it's kind of a cool kit to have all included in one package for you to buy. Alright, so this is the quick service kit that they have. Now they have this for basically all of the carts that they sell. So it is very specific, and I must admit, if I open up the door to my barn that's behind the camera, I have a couple fuel filters, spark plugs, maybe even a couple oil filters as well that I have purchased over time for my various gas-powered vehicles, and I guessed wrong, or I got the wrong part in. And so that's what this kit really solves. Now you do kind of pay for it. It is all inclusive. But I think if I were to buy all the pieces individually, I could probably do it cheaper. But again, I often get the wrong parts. So you can tell them exactly what cart you have, or they can look up your order, and then they'll make sure they give you the right style air filter, the right oil filter, the right spark plug, any of your chains or any other pieces that you need with this. You know, this has also a fuel line and the fuel line clamps to replace, as well as your chain and your air filter, all in one package. So that's what this kit includes. And basically after 3 years, you know, other than oil change, this basically covers everything I need to keep my go-kart working up to snuff. So if you have a cart and either you bought it from go-kartmasters.com or somewhere else, you can get their service kits and their hardware kits for your specific cart if you reach out to them. And again, if you look in the links down below, there are discounts for all you viewers for the hardware kit, for any parts or service kits, as well as for the cart itself. So be sure to check it out, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I will try to get to them. Thanks.